most distinguished dignitaries on the dais, past presidents, students, I think most of them are missing now. I'm not saying ladies and gentlemen, friends, a warm good evening and a warm welcome to all of you for this valedictory session. Now we have reached at the fag end of the session. Hope all of you enjoyed, yes or no? I heard a lot of feedback like it was spellbound, it's awesome, it's wonderful, great, thought-provoking, emotional, a lot of things. Do you agree with me? It is all about transformation through trainings. A lot of lessons that we have learned these 2 days. And some of them, if I say that, be a perpetual student, that is one lesson, and then believe that you are capable of more than you. We have seen their activities also. Then as a trainer, absorb what is useful and discard what is not, and add uniquely your own. That is what you can take it. And there is a voice that does not use words, but listen. So listening skill. You need a lot of courage to stand up and speak, and you need a lot of courage to sit down and listen. God has given us one mouth and 2 ears, because He knows that talking is twice as hard as listening. Sometime back, Mr. Razak also mentioned how many thoughts will be coming to your mind, right? And there is a story about of Buddha. He just compared this listening skill with a clay pot. It's a clay vessel, compared with 4 kinds of vessel. One vessel has got a hole at the bottom. So what will happen if you pour water, anything into it, the entire water will go away. So some listeners are like that. You will only see them, but nothing will go inside. And another kind of pot is where it has got crack in it. So what happens is, it will just stay for some time, and slowly the entire water will ooze out. Similarly, whatever you have listened also will go away. And another kind of pot is completely full, that you cannot fill in anything at all. So some people think, I know them all. What are you talking about? And another pot is there. It is completely empty. That's a pot that all of us must have, so that you can fill it. So learn, unlearn, and relearn. This is what a trainer, all of us, should adopt. With this little thought, let me just welcome, that is my role today, all these distinguished dignitaries sitting on the dais. First of all, are my own boss, Chairman of ISTD, Mr. George B. Philip. Welcome, sir. Welcome to the function. We have our chief guest, Dr. L. Radhakrishnan, IAS. He is the Chairman and CEO of Kerala State Innovation Council. Hearty welcome to you, sir. We have a very special guest. We had the Vice Chancellor herself in the inaugural session. We are privileged to have Dr. Paulus Jacob, Pro Vice Chancellor of CUSAT, for valedictory. Welcome, sir. We have Mr. Shamsuddin BA, Joint Director of SITA, State Institute of Technology, Teachers, Training and Research, Kalamassery. A hearty welcome to you, sir. We have seen Mr. Satish from the beginning. Mr. Satish is the Director of JSS. Welcome to you, sir. We have a lady with fire, full of fire, enthusiasm, vibes, whatever you say. And the 2 presentations you had seen, that is the brainchild of this particular person. If there is no speaker, if there is no MC, doesn't matter. Women are known as multitasking. This is, I don't know what she is. She is ready to do anything. This is our Chief of Trainer, CEO, Madam Chandravadana. And I would like to show you the team of Chandravadana. We all say about the new gen. Can I see the team? Srijit, can you please come? Srijit, Shaimi, Grishma, Sandra, Anjali, Fatima. So all these small kids, I think all of them are deserving a thunderous round of applause. It is because of them that this program was successful. They've been working for this for the past 3 months. Thank you so much. And I welcome each and every one of them as well. And the media that supported us, you have seen that writers, photographs are coming to daily, many times, and media really supported us. Many thanks, and I welcome them to this function. Give them, please. And our sponsors, it's all there. Amity, you have seen the professor sometime back. Bharat Petroleum, Cochin Shipyard, Muthoot Finance, Geojit, V-Guard, Dhanam, Chayakada, Club FM, Uber, Infinite, it's me, and Comet, and Sita. So I once again welcome each and every one of you and all these people once again, and please just continue listening to them, and have a wonderful evening. And thank you so much for being here. Thank you.